Jill died. Kelly, I think, is a prostitute.
What a game! I got in the kiss cam, I participated in the wave, and I got to pee in a trough.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County in western New York until 9:45 p.m. This includes the city of Springville. At 9:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour and quarter-sized hail. This storm is moving east at 30 miles per hour. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your building immediately. Repeating, thunderstorms are occurring in this area and may cause flash flooding. Do not drive through flooded roadways.
So Jim Dandy that we should be counseling others.
Hey, we